Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a refund on Google Play Store. Alright, you can't do it in app itself. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser right here, for example, and Google up refund Google Play Store. Alright, and once you're in here, go ahead and tap on request your Google Play refund. Tap on it and wait for the website to load. From here, just go ahead and tap on continue, confirm. Alright, and make sure that you logged in with the account where you want to refund. All right, there's a switch account button right here. Just going to tap on it if this is not the account. All right, just hit on confirm to continue. All right, and you should be able to see your games or subscriptions right here. And just a quick note, not all games are refundable. All right, just go ahead and select the game or subscription that you want to cancel or refund. Tap on it and there will be a small refund button right there. Just go ahead and tap on it and hit on yes to confirm. All right. Once done, wait for the process to finish and you're good to go. That's basically how you refund a Google Play Store game or subscription. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.